Google made a decent start with the Pixel 7 series this year, and now it seems to have turned its focus towards the mid-range cousin of the lineup, which is the Pixel 7a. Last year's Pixel 6a had some solid points, but most people couldn't see it compete with the other Android brands in the range. Now, the company could improve its focus and deliver a strong Pixel 6a successor, as per the reports cited this week. As per the reports, Pixel 7a features look promising. Pixel 7a will carry a different set of dual rear cameras with improved sensors for better photography. Pixel 7a could offer support for wireless charging, something that the Pixel 6a didn't provide. But expect the feature to offer just a 5-watt charging speed. In addition, Pixel 7a could get a high refresh rate screen, which wasn't available on its predecessor. Pixel 6a was the first A-series phone from Google that came without a headphone jack. So it is assumed that Pixel phones will not get the feature from now on. While these upgrades, if they happen, are decent, we are concerned if all these additions will force Google to bump up the price of the Pixel 7a. As you might recall, the Pixel 6a had a reasonable price in the US market, but in countries like India, Google priced it at Rs 43,999, which puts it in a premium category. And with these new features, we fear Google might push it over Rs 45,000, which will ingest demand for the Pixel 7 if the features prove to be of better value.
Dear Mr. CM, while you're not surprised or even remotely shocked as our Betis get killed,
Russia reclaiming the position USSR had.
If Moscow is controlling Ukraine, it is knocking at the door of European Union.
Atrocities against the entire nation continues in Ukraine.
Who is the better batsman between India's Virat Kohli and Pakistan's Babar Azam?
Is there a Hollywood film next?
I hope, because of the hashtag boycott Bollywood forever trend.
In a major boost, India inducts LCH helicopters to counter China and Pakistan threats.
5G services in India, big move for India.